Watabi as members of the Ghana Youth Association. Ne bi ko men ya no ye ga ni won na ke e ben no ni sani taflache gadangbe blind ko blayi awele ameno agbene magia chemen lumo ihu sani amewele ameno meneke in assembly member da not the government appointee elected ni na regional minister se batuni small I don't want to be selective make mo ko moderation nuchumoni honorable Henry Kwate chumoni aya fe so far kajebe na form na kweku ya Greater Accra da. He's really doing well. He's really doing well. Honorable Henry Kwate. He's really doing well. And I think it's high time Gadang baby family I rally support behind it. Because working for the nation, working for Gadang Taflache, he's a member of parliament. No personal problems here. A constituency she no chumoni ba his excellent na Akufo-Addo can handle no chu wo esa wo hin she yomo e komenja no ni Taflache ni nkanya yu one nyani jinye nkela have meeting an indoor meeting ni no na yueji be like honorable no ni won nuji ake sabola BM ko ke spiritual and bag gbegbo ke ni bi no tue fa ke oni aya fi o ajameje na ba ke mi aka me o cho fa che ke Nigeria ke baba let me be straight with you. Into your franco for a second. Spiritually be a no aka jame no aka me fe. I may a consult on nupa aba na mke fight pamo. She not me yuoji. The president agenda to keep Greater Accra clean no jino me fe bi ane. She not no spiritually be a lele and he's been alleged na ke me. She me share mukumukube. I'm doing my work as the regional minister and the 4 years president come me to my face shu akeshi. I'll do a clean job for the president and the Greater Accra region. That is what the regional minister told me. So he said he's not afraid of anybody. And the spiritual allegation said that he's been alleged. They hear inner information. But he is consciously moving to higher grounds. But what I'm saying now, all elected assembly members and government appointees, as the president of Ghana Youth Association and my executives and my members, both here and abroad, we are pleading one regional minister and representing Greater Accra. He's not representing only Osu, Tessie, Abokobi, Medina. He's representing the entire Greater. Go to Medina right now. Now, quite benefe Medina. None of Sakumo. No. I mean, he's doing a lot. No assembly members, government appointees. The Ghana Youth Association here, we are pleading with you, okay? FA regional minister Baya, na yese, na wale. Me pacheme ufai matia cheme. The traditional rulers, this is your time. Honorable Henry Kwate is your Gino brother. I've been in a building because Manchester Jibu. He is the president of Greater Accra. The regional minister is the president of Greater Accra. The president of Dankwa, he rules and we know. But about Greater Accra, Henry Kwate is the president and he will report direct to his boss, the president, who is above everybody in Ghana. No, Greater Accra, the traditional rulers, I'm pleading with you. Honorable Henry Kwate need your support. He can't do this work alone. Newale. Asafuache me. Asafuache mankata. Okoyiche. Newale. Office of the Gamanche. Gamanche. Newale. Biane. Aba Gamashi. Ni adoto tinto sepemanche. You are the acting president of the Ghana Strikers. I'm pleading with you. Kok be make biana ka ba sabola bi aje na wa regional minister ke ba tema manche ke we bi na wale ke bosu na wale ke te dodowa na wale everything concerning Greater Accra the regional minister need your support. We the Ghana Youth Association here if my executive say both here and abroad we are rally behind him and we are solidly behind him and we will rally more behind him because he's doing a very great job. He needs our support. Come on. To offer where you be. The ex-president Rawlings, may he so rest in peace. Rawlings Park, ne ke ba shua me. Jail with the wale. But with the executive powers ni mini. Enye. Mbele ne kwa abini jeme fi fine. But ne ke onyo seles ne. Taflache. Wonye mime. Wongame. Wache me. Wonye anyembe ni chumo ni ejeme. Jail na shua me na me atashi ae. I relocate me. Na anya saga. I mean, what is wrong with this? We should give credit to Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, His Excellency the President. And we should give credit to Honorable Henry Kwate. He's really doing well. I'm pleading with you people. Press in the cash corner. Whether you are whatever it is, you be a northern or whatever it is. Now Greater Accra is cosmopolitan. Greater Accra is a cosmopolitan. No can be no never regional minister. All we are saying today is that Gadangbe Youth Association here, I feel we are solidly behind Honorable Nukwati. And he has made it clear to me, saying, I'm not scared of anybody. I have respect for everybody, but I'm not scared of anybody. So that rumor going around, like I'm scared of the onion side because of spiritual issues. I'm not scared of anybody. I'm doing what the president asked me to do. And I'm doing a clean job for the president and for Greater Accra. Because of Honorable Nukwati. We are playing with the assembly members in Greater Accra, elected the government appointees. We are pleading with the traditional rulers in Greater Accra. They should rally behind the regional minister. How beautiful! Many your for regional minister and Yakone Afenoko, like about Waga. Money Buaba, oh mammy, Sunday years, sir. This is not about NDC and MPP. This have nothing to do with politics. We are talking about Gadangbe. We are the custodians of the land. Well, no, not Gadangbe come first. To me, Gadangbe come first before Ghana. Because God has identified no miolomo. The president said the president told me, I said, Mr. President, people say you don't have good plans for Gadangbe. And he laughed. He laughed before his a member said the guy Gadangbe caucus MPP. He laughed and said, meanwhile, he said, me, my wife is a gun. If I wake up in the morning, the first language I'll be speaking is Ghana, because my wife is a Ghana. So I have good plans for Gadangbe. That is why he said I wanted to make Greater Accra the cleanest city. How can you do if the regional minister is not doing his work very well? I'm pleading with you, the traditional rulers, assembly members, we should help Honorable Nukwati. And I was so much excited yesterday when he was bold enough to tell me, Honorable Nukwati, 31st, please. Chief, I'm not scared of any spiritual attack. I'm not scared of anything. God is with me, and I know my ancestors are with me.
Honorable Nukwati, echuni kiya lenche a personal interest. Echuni kiya Gadangbe bi fe. Tafla che tuju ko bi wada. Ko nye efia fale. Ojo agota to gota. Ofi ogota race. Chimene because of overpopulation wo efia femini. Echin. Efia bola. Ni bola na mofio. Tafla che wono wogamo yu akeshin ablekuma kuma. Ke okaba ablekuma kuma no twa akeshin no ni wo small wo ba fi. Honorable Nukwati echuni ni gafe for ni ke gaba fe for e ba je na me e ba je wo indigenous ke bomo echuni ni wo wale eni jeba bini eni jeba je wi ni wo yu akeshin wo ba wale o wale lebi shwane gbeke wo ma je ncheme wo nu chumoni ke echuni chumoni eyin ale pe eba la ke se kule tafla che me kume ama afe ni bi gboyin wo alo me hon ekume ni tune clear je me wo e ka me efun ko mi fun tafla che o mi fun because ni chumo ni echu ni fi agesin ke sumo e ba yin ablekuma no fe ye ni constituency yo ne kwaje mpe chi fi agesin nonas ne chu ni wagan e ba wa biane ke ekwe taflache isesensi akufado government mi lepe jiboni gbanu lepe jiboni chuoni recently ni fiangweshi minister for lands and natural resources lewe flag o asne kanya efio she ye for kegebini agwole ministers ne lepe jiboni chuoni before lepe gbe because kage she ba fe shu ageshi Accra must work again next day Accra chuoni. To me, we the Gadangbe Youth Association, we have pledged our support to him 100%. We want to tell him that whenever he calls upon us as an association, we'll give him our full support because we believe that he's doing the right thing. And anybody who climbs the right tree must be helped, must be pushed, and you go forward. No ni yo mi won to work here like keshin efe to my person moko mgonye chile efe to mo jata mo mini ke a person alo jata here ni mukuba here mgonye here de kokoko won to ni work like won share kon inu chumo ne chu ya no ne chu noko be ni adesan ko ba fe because no ni yo senator no ni ngoro nche match la ke ngoro ki ala ga se chu na ga no chumo ne ke fo ye se gbina e ba ya mo go nye fe no go ga gbele ko no ni ya no bia ne aje politics emi no NDC no CPP no MPP won chu ga no chumo ke eshebe na me afia me politics wo ga gbe ni yan wo e because ke ga wo mujien alo be ni ga e wo mujien na ka ni sumo lo ko be ni tontron komo ni ko cho bia ne e fia ejefu na ka yesumo no ni a wo fia sho akeshi no ni minister tuniji honorable ni ko techu won ni a wo support ale ke wo support le no ba support le we are going to give him our 100% support and we want to tell him that he should go on and do what is needed and be the Garangbe Youth Association wherever he needs us and wherever he call upon us we'll give him the support. To many honorable Ayafio Yuye assembly members say unfortunately we are coming here new support ale Kenya support will no chuma nye chu egboto nye chu because no chumo enye ni ta flache ke ehye eku nyine ba nyima chola ke oh honorable bia ne na back na ke na gba e obi ne because etwe nye ba fe etwe ke ingbe no ke je wale no chuma yin no ma we ni kenshi honorable and report etwe kon na keshi e ya no na echu ni wo ba support le ni Gadangbe ni wo cheme ke tete ke fin ba support le ni ba eku ni hu
ni pa ni regional minister ke assembly members ke appointees fe pe ewe ni ye beni e ba gbe mo fe na e wona jo age sani ju me no ti ju assembly se fe we ni gbe gra wo pe ni ju mo ni e ka mo ṣe ko ni wo ke wo Oloyin, but I feel me it take effect. Gadangbe.
Nakai.
Damwe say.
Ojopa.
She can you get Damwe say. Now take his step where are we?
Nakai.
When you get your get back when Gadangbe no.
Eshe.
Go to when you go work. What feel why oh ni go meeting say na media baba bi. Go ba am be fairly akeshi. Kejeke ya no ni ba ni. Mo femu o hia yin bo no ni. Is that no kwaje meju. Ejake mo fe o la eji keje bi na to assembly shi affect clean up exercise number of times ka sa no muje mego ni to mego ni deliberately here amesi money ga fefo when wo sha gbene mla ba tu lo ba nka gero mi mla be mla e bi be keji sande e ba oni a jo ba to telephone o gbene ball le ni ba to telephone gbene ball le do ba mi don ake wo tashi ake Gadangbe ni won kwani Gaya no assembly ba mi kemla ni agbene kana me fi la ejo mla e bai ba gbene keji oton mla ko bai ko na gbene wa ka fe fun yes ani keji o pote ga mi ko je ko to ka no pote ga mi na lele o pote ko je to lo chomi ke to te ma no o pote ga sa wo kwe ni wo ke strategies ama muhimi ja bona fe ni no fe ba di ba ni ga afefo wo ko ni wo fi Gadangbe wo do mo say
Thank you.
Beke bi biodi mi ken na fosa si mi hun nako eneko da ni tomono wo cha da wie wo obranya BFN do mo obranya BFN anagea ake Gadangbe tete fen yen ha wo fe wo pia papa le ke wo nyemu ke wo wale fen tomono wo cha da ke efen wo anu ake papa le ya kadi egbe ba ko meto nya wo fen wo nyese bona fin ke fu se na ke eye tabilo yese ni bayi akamole to no wo cha ta ke ntwa manya ba ne